Hi friends, in this video I am showing you how to simulate a three-phase rectifier and how the three-phase rectifier work, okay, in Simulink. So if you are new on my channel, first you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start it. So here you can see the three-phase voltage source. So each phase is 120-degree angle difference. So when a phase 1 will come, so D1 and D2 is on, okay, for 120-degree angle, okay, and as the phase 2 will come, D3 and D4 is on for phase B for 120-degree angle. And similarly, when the phase 3 will come after 120 degree after 240 degree, so D6 and D5 will on, okay. So now we have to run the simulation. Let's see. So now you will see the inputs, three phase inputs, and here we have output. So simulation is running now. So here you can see the voltages and the output voltage. You will see the output voltage here. So I have to just and now you can see here the input voltages. So these are the input voltages, here you can see. So these are the points in which the diode is switching on and off, okay. So according to these points, diode will switch. It means that for, as you can say, D1 and D2 is on for phase B. So as it will pass, then these are the points in which the diode is switching on and off, okay. And this is your output voltage, you can see here, okay, across the resistor. Now you can see the current waveform. So now you can see the current waveform. So this is the current, you can see. And now I want to show you the D1, D3 and D6 diodes measurement, on and off switching. So here you can see the, so this is D1 and D2 and D1 and D3 and D6 waveform of diode. So here you can see the switching. So these are the points in which, so first D1, D3 and this one is D6. Okay, similarly for D4, D5 and D2, you can see here. So here you can see this is the switching. So 0.7 voltage, as you already know, the device drop of diode. So here you can see the D4 and D5 and D2. Okay, so this is the diode switching on and off. Okay, so hope you understand all these things. Thank you so much for watching.